Okay guys, now restart your PC. Going down. Get ready. Press F2. F2 for this when the company name shows. Now you see the option called boot. Take it. Now you're going to change the boot option 1. This is my system. I'm going to change it here. So jet flash transition, that's my USB. I'm going to make that as boot option 1. Go back. Now see, now it's already boot option 1 is jet flash, so I'm going to save and exit. Now all of you are familiar with this page, right? You know, some people, their PC has a problem. When I click this default, no, later you have to type startx, but after typing startx your PC will become blank, like it's a black screen, and nothing else comes, so it doesn't work for some people. So for such people, do this. You saw this tab, edit options, click tab. Now this part, change it, remove this till text, even text also, then type yes, and press enter. As you can see, I have no signal booster, but it's still, without signal booster it will work. I can show you that too. I hope it comes like this for you guys. You know, I made the same kind of video just like this for Kali Linux. You can visit it. I given the link in the description. It has the same advantage, no signal booster needed. Now type startx here. See, Backtrack 5 R3. It has come. Now I'll show you one thing too. M1NG. It's using your Atheros minus Atheros, so it's using that wireless card. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment or subscribe. Thank you.